Okay, so welcome. So in this Blackboard tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the different links that I've set up for you, and I'm also going to show you where you need to get registered and how to get registered with the Connect. All right, so when you first log into Blackboard, what's going to happen is it's going to direct you right to this home page, and you'll notice that you should find a welcome. There is an overview of the course, and you're going to read through that, and some etiquette policy, and some technology requirements and technical skills. And of course, here's the e-text you all need to purchase. Here's the code, and again, you can do this online. But here's the name of it: it's the Connect Access Card for Statistical Techniques in Business and Economics, 17th edition, and the author is by the Land. So all that's you're going to find in this homepage link. Now, in the next link I've got is the announcement link, and notice there will be some announcements up by the time you're looking at this, but this is where you'll go weekly to find out any updates on the course. And I like to use the announcement page just to kind of keep you on task and post it weekly what you should be doing. All right, so the next link then is my instructor. And so again, here's some background information about myself. And again, you're going to find that I've got my phone, my office phone, email, and office location. So if you ever need to come by campus, I'm in room F324. And again, here's my email policy, and you can again read through that as well. So again, all that information is under my instructor. Okay, so the next link I got is the syllabus and class schedule. And I went ahead and I've already opened up the syllabus. So just real quick, notice title of the course, Elementary Statistics. This is section 275. This is the late start 8-week. Again, it begins on Monday, October 14th. Notice there's no campus meetings. This is all online. Again, here's my background information. Again, here's my office hours. Again, my office location, email, office location, and office phone. Again, the same information that you'll find in the My Instructor link in Blackboard as well. And note that if you do need to contact me, I suggest you email me. That's the best way. And I do respond to all email requests, usually within 24 hours. Okay, and you can read through the rest of this, but just note that read the course description. It is a 3-credit-hour course. You got some prereqs, and again, you can read through all the different learning objectives. But I just want to show you quickly on the classroom policy in terms of how you'll be graded. So you'll note that there are 2 exams. There's going to be a total of 12 quizzes, but only 10 quizzes will count, and I'll talk about that in a minute. And the same thing on your homework assignments. There's going to be 12 homework assignments, but only 10 of them will count towards your overall grade. And look at the weights: 66% on exams, the quizzes is 22%, and homework assignments are 11%. Now again, regarding the exams will be online. And again, there'll be 2 of them, and I'll show you in the class schedule in a moment when to expect those exams. Now, on the quizzes, I do give you 12, but again, I drop your 2 lowest. I only count your best 10, and then just kind of pay attention to the quizzes, again, because you do take these through Connect, is that I do give you 2 attempts on each quiz. All right, now on the homework assignments, very similar setup to the quizzes. I give you 12 of them, which basically correlates to the 12 chapters we're going to cover. And again, I drop your 2 lowest homework assignments, so I only count 10 of them. But the difference between the homework assignments and the quizzes is I give you unlimited attempts. You just have to make sure that you get all these turned in by the due dates. Go ahead and read through the rest on the attendance policy and everything else. But again, that's going to be the class schedule. So let me close that out. All right. Now, on the class schedule, let me kind of show you that here in a minute. So notice the week of October 14th is when the class does begin. And the first 3 chapters are going to be covered that first week. Do not panic. There's a lot of basic information in the first 3 chapters, so it's not as much as you might think. But notice I've got the setup. You've got the due date, October 20th, and then the next week will be chapters 4 and 5, and then the following week, chapters 6 and 7. And notice you can expect your first exam during the week of November 4th. And you just kind of scroll down through the rest of the class schedule, and then the second exam will be the week of December 9th. All right, so again, that's going to be under your class schedule. Let me close that out. And again, here's your textbook information once again. Notice again that you got to get the e-text Connect Access card. It's about $130. It's all digital. And again, you'll need this because you need to have access to Connect to be able to submit your homework and quiz assignments. All right, now regarding Connect, if you find this link says Connect Registration, you just open up this PDF file and it'll explain exactly how you register. I even have the website set up. Notice if I click where it says Connect Registration, it's going to take you right to the website. Notice there's my name, my picture, my name. And notice, again, elementary statistics, BUS201275, that should be the section. And notice it says enter your email to join the class. So again, I've got this link already set up for you, but again, you do need to read through this just to make sure you're in the right place. Now, I've got this Connect website. That's another link. Just once you are registered with Connect, you can just click this, and then this will take you right to the McGraw-Hill website where you can actually log in to Connect. So I set this up for your convenience. All right, now, once you've done all this, go to your course readiness agreement. You want to click this and submit it. And it just basically says you've read all the instructions in terms of what you need to do to get ready for the class, meaning you read the syllabus. You're going to get the e-text Connect access code, and you click this and you get 5 bonus points. So don't forget to do this. This is the course readiness agreement. All right. Now, once you've done this, the last couple things, the learning modules, this is where I have all my illustrations. And let me close this so you can see exactly what I've got going on here. Notice every chapter I've set up for you. You click a chapter module, and I've got the overview and the agenda items. Basically what you need to be doing each week in these modules. You've got my recorded lectures. You've got illustrations I've actually videoed and recorded for you to assist you with completing each chapter assignment. So again, you'll want to use these learning modules because that's essentially how I am teaching the course. You'll notice that I've got these modules set up for every single chapter we're going to cover. And again, all my illustrations or recordings you'll be able to find here. And I've often told by former students that they find these very, very helpful because it's actually my teaching. It's not just me telling you to go to a YouTube page and watch somebody else do it. So again, click all these as you go through them. And this is my guidance to help you get through the course. All right, everything else, the course documents, PowerPoints, textbook solutions, all this stuff is routed through the learning modules, but you can also access them directly through here. Don't worry about the submit exam 1, exam 2 just yet, not till we get there, but this is where you'll submit your exams. And then you'll notice that I got a section on here for check your grades. Okay, so just to kind of wrap this up, so a couple things. Remember, the class does begin on October 14th. So you need to all have your your Connect access code purchased by then. If you do need to wait on purchasing it and you can't get it right away, there is a free 14-day trial period. And I always tell people, if you're going to go with the free 14-day trial period, you do not want to register too early for the Connect because that's when the time starts to count. So if you're going to do that, I would suggest you register like maybe on October 12th or October 13th. That way you'll get the full 14 days when the course begins. And then once the 14-day trial period passes, then you will have to buy the code. But at least you should all be able to register and be ready to start when the course does begin on October 14th. So once again, I'm going to go back. So Connect registration link right here. Read the instructions. You can click these links. It'll help you register. And then lastly, I'll just say if you do have any questions or concerns about the course, again, email me at djariga@stlcc.edu, or you can give me a call, or you can also come by and visit me. I'm on campus, room F324. And again, there'll be more announcements coming, so I recommend and highly suggest you check your student emails regularly. All right.